Hello. Some of you today ask about how to draw support and resistance, and so that's just making this quick video. In general, like when I make support and resistance, I start with a longer time frame, and when I say longer time frame, normally I go 1 hour. You can go with daily as well, but normally 1 hour I like. Also, if the stock does not have a lot of volume, then sometime like if we just use normal candle, you will see many gaps. So in trading view, there is something called Heikin-Ashi. I use that, but it's not necessary. You can use the candle. When I draw the line, the whole idea is to touch as many extreme point as possible. When I extreme at the top or the bottom, so clearly when I draw a line here, it means this is a support because 3.8 has been holding, right? And that was a good entry for a swing trade. From here it moved 50%, I guess, and people made money. But the whole idea is see how we are drawing it, right? See the line touching here and touching here, right? And if I add more lines here, and later I'm going to explain how it works. But first of all, let's draw some line. Okay, just looking at a bigger time frame, then I can explain how it works. So let's say we have these lines, and why this is so important: support, resistance. When a stock is hitting a resistance, that's important, a resistance. But when the stock goes over the resistance, normally it becomes support. You can see that previously it was the roof, then it became the floor. When the floor breaks, means the support breaks, it becomes the resistance. You can see that came down, tried to push, got rejected, right? Same thing, if you come here, at one point this line was some kind of a support, then when it became resistance, we got rejected, right? And again, you see the resistance was around 5.34, we got rejected 5.34 here, here. Now going forward, if it goes higher, I see some line here around these areas, $6. You can see it was a support before, when 6 is broken, it became a resistance, and today we hit 6 few times. So this is how we draw support and resistance on a bigger time frame. Now for day trading, after 1 hour I go to 3 minute. Then based on the pre-market price action, we make a plan. As an example, if you go to BBY today, you can see that this is a 3 minute chart. So based on my 1 hour, I have the big lines, but when I was planning in the morning, you can see how my trade, if you go to my thing, you can see that BBY, the entry one is 3.4. Why 3.4? 3.4 because if you look at the line here, after hour it bounced from this line here, right? Maybe 3.35 or 3.4, not a big deal. You can see it bounced from here, right? And so that was one idea. If you draw another line here, the next entry was 3.2 because pre-market it also came to 3.2. So the idea was either 3.4, if 3.4 breaks, then 3.2. So you come with a smaller time frame, then you make your support and resistance, right? Same thing, if you see here 4.4, why 4.4? It got rejected 4.4 yesterday, so when it came to 4.4 today, it got rejected. Now what we see, BBY, it is getting rejected after 4.4. This is the line 4.2. It's having a hard time breaking this 4.25, 4.3. Clearly a resistance. At the same time, it is bouncing from this 3.8 line. So how we can say bullish or bearish? If it breaks this 3.8 is bearish, so it might come back to 3.3. On the other hand, if you see it's going up, it breaks 4.25, then it will go higher. So this is how we make a plan. And when you will see I'm posting my alert in the morning, something like entry, exit, something, you always check this with the chart. I always post my chart in the general chat section so that you can check. I do not want you to just enter just looking at entry one. Okay, just the entry one. I always want you to check the chart as well, because I can say 3.4, right? But maybe BBY broke 3.4 before market open. In that case, you are looking for 3.2. So you need to check the chart and the timing, because I post my trade ideas around 9 o'clock, 9:10, but during market open it can change. So check the chart, check the trade ideas, then you do it. Anyway, this video is all about support and resistance. How? Just try to give you something. Take care. Bye.